Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, Earth's toughest creature. These microscopic animals are less than a millimeter long, barely visible to the naked eye. They can survive temperatures from near absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Unbelievably, tardigrades can withstand radiation doses 1,000 times what would kill a human. Some species have even survived the vacuum and radiation of outer space for days. When conditions get tough, they enter a state called cryptobiosis, shrinking into a protective ton. In this state, they can endure extreme dehydration, desiccation, and even starvation for decades. They feed on plant cells, algae, and even small invertebrates, making them tiny predators. You can find them almost anywhere. Moss, lichen, sand dunes, deep sea, and even volcanoes. The water bear truly earns its name as an eight-legged, virtually indestructible survivor.